That is amazing. How fast does it go?
20 kilometers per hour.
Yeah? And you only use it indoor?
No, outdoor.
Everywhere?
Also.
And it's easy? That is amazing. Can I try?
Yeah, of course.
I love it. Where do you get that from?
On net,
How much did you pay for it?
4,500.
45?
100 RMB.
No.
Okay.
This time it's gonna work, you know?
Wow. Careful.
You said 10 hours?
Yeah, 10 hours. 2 days, 10 hours, I think.
And then your legs will hurt, right?
Yeah. Oh my god. It's perfect.
Okay, thank you for me.
Okay. Oh, put it down, put it
Oh,
down.
put it out?
Okay. Here we go.
Okay, I need to see you do it one more time. You make it look so easy. What do you call it?
IPS single wheel.
IPS. Oh, I need one of those. And you didn't have any accidents?
Yeah, no.
Not yet. Okay. Thank you for showing me.
Okay.
Okay, have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Wow.